So my basket is not full, just 1 kg. I tried, but still I'm sweating. So we are entering Brother Tia's vegetative tea garden. Now we are in the tea garden, so let us explore and see how they pluck the tea leaf and work in the tea garden. Risk raise na? Okay. This is chai patti. Oh, hoy. Oh, thank you. This is the pure tea leaf which is from here. This is very good. This is Assam tea leaf. There is a difference between Assam and Himalayan tea, so I will show you the difference. First time the black tea which I'm having is very sweet. Else it's always like a little bit bitter, but this time it's sweet. Without sugar also it's sweet. Maybe they are having the top quality tea. We can see the baskets over here. And the person, those who had work in the garden, they are going to have food. So, आपने बात खावा ले ऐसे क्या? हाय, क्यों बजी देख काम start करूँ 8 बजी पर? 8 बजी. बोले तो भी बात खाना है? नहीं morning ले. Morning तो खाइए दिन ला. ठीक है. एक बार बोला. एक हफ्ता दे एक बार बोला ना एक ता जगह देना. ये तो पूरा दे. राउंड कुछ ठगे तो एक हफ्ता ही हो जाएगा. ठीक है. इतना ये ऐसे ना. June bra ni September, August September after season ba yo. June bra August September top season ase. May June July August September. Oh pani girile ba na. Pani girile ba. Ki khazanti mas logot kaya ase. Ayyo. Kam kurigini pat kwaduna. Bishi mitha ase. Tasty ase. Edo. Ite bhi ek din party kuri ase. Ayye. Ite bhi kuri ase. कितने का हो? मीठा अरे अपनी तो मीठा बड़ा खास है गोरबरा नीचे गोरबरा नीचे सब्जी देते दिशे ना हमो कितने का बड़ा खास है अपना थाली तो अलग दंगलो इसे तो वाली भी मॉर्निंग तो ठीक ठाक खाएगी ना ऐसे तो ना इन्हें खास है 3 दिन तो पड़े भूख लगे शुरू अरु चलो तुम्हारा पार्टी तो शुरू है the owner of the farm इधर tea leaf ला garden ला मालिक तो ले दो मुझे पता है खान जाए ना चीनी ना नहीं बस तो 1 kg चीनी ले हो जाओ ना हो जाओ खान दो इन्हें का सदे अरु itu तो अलग style को पड़े माथा देवी you can put on your head also but my shoulder de crew तो video लावे वाला busy हो क्या करेगा हाँ कैसे हो हम लोग ऐसा करेगा हाँ ऐसा करेगा चलो ऐसा करेगा ऐसा अच्छा है ना हाँ अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा है क्या बात अच्छा लगता है अच्छा लग रहा है चलो they have started working. They are plugging the tea leaf. Let me go here. They are also working. Suru Ishina. Hello. Hello. Pata ulas na. Ay, dama ulas de. Okay. Mugi malik bra 1 kg labi gina pata cho. Oh. Pari bana kyo. Ekta bhi ula nai. This is how they plug the leaf. They are very expert in plugging the leaf.
koro ahe dibaho. Amar puja manona koro ahe dibaho.
I just want to try plugging. So the plug which you're doing is that tahan idu opor pareto to ina lo ase. Tinta pata bi lo ase. Tinta na duita lo ase. Tinta top la. So hey. So they are taking this the top of the leaf. So tinta lo ase de idu tinta part. Ekta, duita, tinta. Aru matha milale charta hoise. So factory de gusia dem de khata khata hoi jabo. Tahan ina chinia do garden bishi dangor ase. The garden is very big, so for one round it will take 1 week. So that means it will take chini wale ek mahina de 4 bar chini 4 times tahan ulao pare ase. It's not an easy work. Tea garden chalabi because khali ulaise pata ulaise ina bi nohoy fertilizers bi dalibo lage aru taige pata bi grow hobole karne fertilizers itu fertilizers aru pesticides poka khan nakhao lage ne edu khan bi dalibo lage edu khan bi sob dan thakibo aru chinia la edu la laborers khan tan la wages bi nole bi contract hisab te ki rate ase edu bi pay grow lagibo moi nagamis prolo video bana ase so that everyone can understand English bari banai thaise hole bi olop mix kori dibo na ki because sob manu naga manu khan bi olop janibo lage etu hisab te kori ase moi 1 kg paribo na nayo ek pua bi hola na hola ina tea garden de bera dem de to hushar bi ho lage kile snake bi thage terne alo hushar ba bera ho lage snake para kamuria la case bi bishi thage tea garden de kam kori thagi na kile green ase aro snake green hola snake kun hola bishi thage sap kun hola sap bishi pai de green hola bi pai na hoi da so it is a little bit risky as a kam kore khan bi it's a little bit risky I have to complete my 1 kg else I won't get my wages 1 kg hana la de yere tala gas dikhibo pare ase here the stem is only one tala main gas to ekta ase na to the main gas ekta lage etu ki asanti koire sob te notice phale apni berai na ile you will find all the tea leaf as one stem tala stem do ekta pabo de to this is asanti leaf India re duita tea leaf ase moi Himachal de ekbar Palampur de jatem de apni hanke explain kurina ase etu video sabi early in the morning around 8 tan ena kam start kuro aru din de bad khabo etia tan bad khatem de punchi mohan and then by evening ena kuri thakina evening it will get evening to etia moi gode jabo aru kina jama kuri aru ki aru process ase moi olop explain kuro de bishi gorom hoje malik tu niche de ase bishi mon dina kam kuri ase owner do mon digena ki kam kuri tade success hoy ki kam hoile bi choto moto dangor hoile bi mon nadile kotte bi khushi bara kuro na pare to bishi mon dina kam kuri ase tai this is the example of self employment ena ho lage bishi bukhilishi do chalo moi bi khan borta hoise dei my basket is not full just 1 kg I tried but still I'm sweating 1 kg bukhi na bi man pasna wala shele hoise so this was my share itu ke etia edu dalibo malik tu etia counting guru wala ase 1 kg punchishina nai sabole ase de after plugging all the tea leaf from the garden 700 1000 to ulai thagibo pare ek din de na collection so it will come up around 800 kg per day and then by evening the owner he will collect and then he will take up to the factory when they do the collection and then they reach the factory so factory de do hisab te rate thake to ite average price to 20 to 30 la bitore ja ase bishi up down hoi thake factory thake karne edu lagaina thake khan do tahan la kam chili ase because they had planted but if there is no factory no use but factory industry thake karne tahan la kam do chili ase that's why the presence of industry is very important in any sector. Kiki sector, it may be dairy milk, sugarcane, whatever. Laga manu thakile bi farmers thakile factory na thakile no use. So factory thake garne bishi support hoy na je. So alag process thakibo factory de, there will be lots of process. Moi ko anishna video link opore dina ase. Etu puila sabi moi Himachal de jaina ki kina factory process ase explain kore do. You can have a look and then you will learn a lot. Grading thakibo, safa korela thakibo, etu opore tala color la grades thake hisab te hi kiba kuri gena last te dry ki kuri gena kata kati kuri gena pack kuribo. Etu bishide India re kiman ula ase etu sob loi jaina Kolkata de auction mare. Etu bishide company khan bikao pare. So that's the rule in India. Tea Board of India bara sai etu ina rule ase. So anyhow, everything start from the beginning. So beginning to kina ase ina janishe. And then one more information. Etu pata chini wale garne do etu gas to ile do ek saal hobo lage maturity minimum laga bichire. So that's the information. So our owner is also very busy. Laborers can plug kurina aibo tayaro ina kam safa kuribo tage hawa khawali di ase sob jaga re. Oh, brother, very smart, yeah? See? Wow. Very smart, yeah, brother? Make you believe that I'm a bad liar. Very good singer. Hidden talent.
Hidden talent?
Yeah, hidden talent.
I don't see in my videos. How can you say that it's hidden? Always try to explain.
Sorum khelai dise de. Chalo, charibi. Fish with black tea. Good combination. It's black, but I said it's very tasty. Not tasty, I mean it's sweet and it's good for health. Kunyak lado ena kala thakile ko te khawana pare de pet dikhai. Ei ere do nakha nishna ase. Roving Nagaland jungle murgi ase.
Udo padakan tu na, ini singa tu na, udo kas tu na, tactile level di singi usi.
Acha.
Udo kusi kusi udo kas piya ho jaye, level piya ho jaye, to level piya ho jaye, or next kali piya ho jaye.
So this is how they work at tea garden. Everybody is working. They are plugging the tea leaf, and very soon, by evening, they will collect, and then they will take it to the factory, and the factory will measure it, and based on that, based on kg la hisab parata hange price to dibo. It will be average price is around 20 to 30 la bitor ase, up and down hoi thake. Aru factory bara itu kini gena process kuri gena aru company khange auction di gena company kinibo, company product banabo, aru gorda aibo like Kaziranga tea, Maza Gold, Tata Gold, inega kiki aibo. So it's up to farming bara start ase. So we have to respect farming. Tomorrow morning, my plan is to go to Kohima. So this would be my last video from here. And from there, again, I will take rest and I will go to another place. But over here, I really like to thank Brother Tia for inviting the Roving Naga and the Roving Naga inviting me. So we came to know each other. And Brother Tia is a very humble person, very kind person.